In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Loom Video Recorder to capture your screen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start from the Loom launcher, switch into the capture tool, and grab a clean screenshot of just the area you need or of your current tab. To begin, open Loom in your browser and look for the option that says Record a Video, or click the Loom extension icon in your toolbar. Either action opens the same Loom control panel, so choose whichever is faster for you. This panel is your starting point for screen work, whether you plan to record or just need a quick image. Once the panel is open, look for the small camera icon. This is the capture feature. Clicking it switches Loom from recording mode into screenshot mode. Think of it as telling Loom, I don't need a video right now, I just want a still image. You'll see options that are focused on capturing exactly what's on your screen in a single shot, which is perfect for documentation, quick feedback, or saving a visual reference without creating a full recording. Now choose how you want to capture. If you want a precise portion of the screen, select the custom area option. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair so you can click and drag to draw a box around the exact region you want. This is ideal for hiding distractions and focusing attention on the part that matters, like a single chart, a menu, or a specific section of a web page. If you'd rather capture everything in the tab you're viewing, choose the current tab option. This gives you a full tab screenshot without including other windows or your desktop, which keeps things tidy and consistent. After you make your selection, confirm the capture and Loom will take the screenshot instantly. From here, your image is saved in Loom so you can review it, rename it for clarity, and share it as a link just like you would with a video. This is great for quick collaboration because your teammates can view the image in their browser without downloading files. If you plan to reuse the image elsewhere, you can copy or download it right from the Loom page. If you actually meant to record a video instead of a screenshot, simply stay in the main panel and start a recording from there. But when you only need a crisp image, the camera icon and the custom area or current tab options are the fastest path. That's it. Open Loom or the extension, click the camera icon, choose custom area or current tab, and take your screenshot.